Der Weg, den ich oft in Gedanken bin zu dir, denn dort wartest du am Blutbad.
But could you show me what a proper twerk is right now? I think we should show you. Spin round. Let's have a little look.
She just go like tango.
And it's likely one of those international cities might... No! You scared the shit out of me.
We're working here, man. How you doing?
Andy, this right here is a map of downtown Saginaw, and this construction is happening along North Michigan, starting at Houghton Avenue and going all the way to State Avenue. Drivers are down to the single lane in each direction.
Yeah. Wow. Như vậy thì
It's funny because this is an empty bottle. Not entirely.
الأسواق الصاعدة هل هي بالفعل ما زالت صاعدة؟ فهي مفاتيح.
Nos encontramos específicamente en Valle Dorado, en el municipio de Tlalnepantla, Estado de México. Y es que mira, la lluvia fue tan fuerte en este punto de la ciudad que para que tú tengas una idea, mira este poste de luz.
Ay.
Uy.
Ay, híjole.
Okay. No. Yes, please. Okay.
Notamos que las condiciones están fluctuando entre los 80 hasta los 90 grados. Parece que tenemos un problema, me imagino, con las luces, pero no se preocupen. Seguimos con el tiempo.
Okay.
Ready, so you go 1, 2. That is not how it's usually done.
You do not want to be out here joyriding. VDOT is asking folks to stay off the roads, and that helps them move along quicker here. But if you can take a look at the road here, obviously the buffoonery has returned, but...
Aaron Rodgers has been downright perfect.
Northern Iowa comes back to win it in dramatic fashion. Last Saturday, the Panthers didn't look very good against Iowa State. Presidential candidates roaming around like we needed more craziness out here with all the tailgating and all the spirit there is out here. But it's the Cy-Hawk game. I guess anything goes. Fred Hoiberg is still the mayor of Ames, no doubt about it.
From Carmel, if you're using US 31 southbound, your average speed is 43 miles per hour.
At times when either they are trying to target civilians because the women blend in with the civilians, or when they are trying to change the nature of the profile.
Now, following her victory speech, Kim asked her and her supporters to say a prayer for Gina Roberson, who remains hospitalized for a stress-related illness. Kim says her and Gina will remain friends and work together in this Harrisburg community. Working for you tonight in Harrisburg, Dave Marcheski, ABC 27 News.
Are you going to miss your mom?
No.
No? Oh, don't cry. Are you?
It is by far not even close to being over yet.
That's true. Sinkholes. Oh, there we saw somebody just take a header off a bicycle. Oh, my goodness.
Not sure what he...
Conditions were so treacherous in Christchurch this morning that even those taking to the streets were finding it slippery.
عودة للشأن المغربي حيث نظم أمس مرصد حماية.
This low-lying...
This was a close race, but only for a short while. Once the votes and ballots started rolling in from, excuse me.
You'd be right to be skeptical. Thousands of traditional skateboarders.
Szép számmal érkeznek a további üzenetek. Idős Balázs Lajosnak születésnapja alkalmából.
در دوره‌های مختلف
This is BBC News. I'm Carol Walker.
Ikke ejeren af bilen her bag mig næste gang overvejer Shit. Okay.